So at the heart of the FEFCO technical seminar is always innovation, new developments, new products, new ways of doing things. Javier, lovely to see you. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having us.
Kento, I mean, obviously you've come with new ways of doing things, and it's a hybrid, it's a blend of flexo and digital. Tell us a little bit about the story.
So Kento was created 3 years ago, something like that. So our idea was we were thinking that the digital solutions in the market up to that moment were not the right solution for corrugated. So we came up with the idea of the hybrid, combining flexo and digital to reduce the cost of printing. Digital ink is very expensive. So that's the idea. And now, so up to now, we have 2 machines installed, one in the US, one in Europe, and well, now growing.
Fantastic. And I understand also that you've got a couple more orders in hand,
yes.
But for the new variation of the machine. So tell us about the development, because obviously the first iteration of Kento was a flexo print with digital areas. Tell us about the new development.
Yeah, the new development, the most important is the rotary die cutting module inline that we are adding to the 2 next machines, okay? And we are also having 2 color flexo machines. So we are adding 1 more color in every of these 2 machines to increase the capacity of the machines. Yeah, but especially the most important is the rotary die cutting module. It's the first time in history a digital printer combined with rotary die cutting inline, 1 pass.
Fantastic. But you said obviously there's 2 in the pipeline.
Yes.
Can you say which side of the pond are they going? Are they both going to the States? So we got 1 on each side?
Europe is quiet, now quieter than North America. The 2 next machines go to the US, to the States.
Okay. And just tell me, when you're meeting with customers and you're looking at the digitalization, you're looking at digital printing, the combination, the hybrid, what are the main pain points for your customers? Why do they approach you for this solution?
The main pain points, I think, is that the digital printing as it is in the market today is very limited to a very narrow part of the market. So because of the cost of the ink. So you can only print very high graphic boxes or displays. With hybrid, since we reduce dramatically the cost of ink, we can print and we can enlarge the market target with printing with our machine.
And some of the customers that are successfully utilizing these machines, obviously there's a very well-known company in Spain, there's a recent startup in the States. What type of industries are they serving? So is the packaging very much for the food and drink industry? Is it for mechanical engineering? What are the typical customers?
All kind of boxes. Our target at box manufacturing. Not specifically displays. We can print also displays, but our target is boxes. In normal distribution, food industry, drinks, and in industry, electronics, everything. Nothing special. We have a very flexible technology.
Okay, and what about the ink sets? Because obviously that's one area that everyone talks about in digital printing. So tell us about the ink sets. Obviously flexo, we know what that is, that's water-based. So what about the ink sets for the digital?
Yeah, so we like competition, so we have an open system. We don't sell inks, so we just certify different ink sets. We have 3 ink sets certified for global ink manufacturers, and we are adding more in the future.
And that gives obviously the customer the opportunity to pick and choose based on what they prefer.
To get better prices, basically.
No, fantastic. Well, Javier, thank you so much indeed for joining us. Obviously, if you're still at FEFCO, come down, see this technology in action. Thank you so much indeed.